Ooh-wee. Hey, that stuff there, my simple grain, some razor blades, and I've got all this stuff out along the edge of the tub. And since I was here, I cleaned that up, I cleaned this up, I cleaned that up. Hey, you'd be surprised at what all your stuff looks like after a few years without cleaning it, wiping, making sure to wipe down everything. And so I went the extra mile, and I thought, hey, I might as well clean up, because once you paint and do everything, it's only gonna magnify itself with all of your dirty stuff still. I washed cleaned the toilet and everything, inside, outside, and all that kind of stuff, and wiped the floor. I even cleaned the outside edge of the tub. This baby's gonna look spotless when I get done. And remember, if you were with me before, and I told you, when you paint your ceiling, no matter what you do, I don't care what kind of paint roller you use, it's gonna spit to a certain extent. That's why I covered this up as best I could with a little piece of craft paper. I put the craft paper in here, but see, if you had watched that, you would have seen this was still exposed. These were exposed. The top edge was exposed. So once you get ready to start cleaning up, and I cleaned up, you know, I wanted to stop and show you this. Now this looks pretty clean, right? Well, look over here. You see the little white specks? Now look on this side here. See, there's some more right there. There's some more down in there. There's some down on the counter. There's some around the edge. Here's some up here at the top. Don't say you're done until you really are done. See all this stuff down here on the countertop? I'm gonna get you down in there. See those white specks? Any of that stuff's gonna show. See, there's some more. Right there. Right down in there, see? And so I'm gonna make sure I do 100% job. I don't want to have any remnants of paint once I get done. Okay, so, and that goes for your top edge. I've already wiped that, and this edge here, this here, see, there's a little piece right there. See, so I'm gonna have, here's another little piece. Once I dry that and clean it off, then you can kind of see. And you want to do a really good 100% job. Make sure you get all your paint remnants off, and you get everything cleaned up, and you clean that tub too. Okay, and yeah, it took me a while to get all of the sealer. When the sealer put on there, I don't care how well you put it, whether or not you put masking tape down, whatever. Once you pull stuff up, you're going to find you're still going to get some sealer down in your tub and all that kind of stuff. Spend some time, clean all that stuff off, wipe it all off, have it 100% before you call this bathroom good. Here's something else you want to be aware of. If you got any air conditioning registers like that, okay, down on the floor, when you paint any ceiling, I don't care if it's the bathroom ceiling, laundry ceiling, your bedroom, whatever, pull those out, and then be careful not to step in it or anything like that, because you'll get all those little dots on those too. Cracked me up. I was getting ready to paint. Out in this bedroom here and stuff, and I saw there was a register on the floor. See, there it is right there. I took it out, and one person forgot to take one out in a different room, and it had all kinds of little dots on it from us painting these ceilings in the bedrooms. Okay, so just you don't want to do that. And if you do, make sure you clean them off. You don't want to leave it and put it back in down on the floor and have all those little dots all over the place. Okay? One more tip from Joe. So what could I have done differently? I guess I could put masking tape over the top of this or put plastic over the whole thing, but I wanted to use that sink to rinse out my paintbrush and clean up and do that kind of stuff. And you may think, well, hey, I did everything. I put plastic over here. I didn't even touch that. When you get all done, I still want you to check all this because you may have paint on here from the last time somebody painted 10 years ago. Maybe you still got some drips and some little paint marks all over here. And guess what? Somebody's going to think you left those paint droppings because you were the last person in here painting. Hey, I know sometimes you have to spend some effort, look around, and make sure you get everything, okay? So that when you get all done, it looks like, yes, professional did this, and hey, you're just an average Joe. And that's how you want to leave it. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.